The compact washer is shipped with 4 transit bolts installed to secure the drum during transportation. These must be removed before operation. Failure to remove these bolts will result in damage to the machine. A 13mm wrench is also included in the packaging for their removal. Unscrew each transit bolt with the supplied wrench or 13mm socket. Pry out on the edges and work the grommet out by wiggling it back and forth until the entire piece is removed. It will require considerable force to properly remove the spacer grommet. Repeat these steps on the other 3 locations. Insert the attached plug into the hole once the spacer has been removed.